안녕하세요. 맘앤드 파파입니다. 이번 책은 Dump Truck Disco, 노래가 재밌기로 소문난 책이죠. 그림체는 아이들의 상상력을 자극하도록 트럭을 의인화해서 구성되어 있고요. CD 구성을 보면 오디오 부분이 있고 송 애니메이션 부분이 있어요.
응?
한번 들어볼게요.
Dump Truck Disco. Written by Sky Silver. Illustrated by Christiane Engel. Let's learn the song.
저도 볼래요.
네.
Everything is quiet, everyone's asleep, but giant wheels are rolling softly up the street. Dump truck Daisy has come out with her crew. She's got a secret project. What's she going to do? Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. 너무 재밌다.
저 노래 보고 싶네.
네, 더 봐요, 엄마.
It's time for you to turn the page.
우선 스토리 한번
Everything
들어볼게요.
is quiet. Everyone's asleep. But giant wheels are rolling softly up the street. Dump Truck Daisy has come out with her crew. She's got a secret project. What's she going to do? Lights blink on. Engines go vroom.
Vroom.
It's the Dump Truck Disco.
Zoom,
Zoom,
zoom, zoom.
Everything is quiet.
Everything,
Everyone's asleep.
everything is quiet. Everyone's asleep.
But giant wheels are rolling softly up the street.
But giant wheels are rolling softly up the street.
Created by Christiane Engel. Let's learn the song.
Everything is quiet, everyone's asleep, but giant wheels are rolling softly up the street. Dump truck Daisy has come out with her crew. She's got a secret project. What's she going to do? Lights blink on, engines go vroom. It's the dump truck disco. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
그리고 마지막 페이지에 어떤 차 종류인지 이렇게 설명과 함께 이름이 되어 있어요. 남자들이 진짜 좋아할 것 같은데. 남자들이 좋아할 웬만한 중장비 차들이 다 있네요. 그리고 What makes a playground for everyone? 하고 질문이 되어 있고 거기에 대한 다양한 대답들이 있네요. I am a dump truck.
You bought.
Oh yes, I bought. Then I'm a dump truck.
You bought a fire.
Oh my. Yeah, I'm a firefighter. I'm a bulldozer.
No, you are done.
I'm an ambulance, right?
You are everyone.
Okay. Then where's the bulldozer? He's our friend. We're going to.
여기가
Ah, bulldozer. I'm a bulldozer. I can dig. Who is the garbage truck? Can you find the garbage truck here?
here.
Yeah, I'm a garbage truck. I can put all the garbage here.
Hello.
Hello. And where's the dump truck? Dump truck is my friend. Please find my dump truck friend.
Dadu, dadu.
bulldozer, right? We're same, right? Dump truck is here. Ah, I can dig and put the dirt here, right?
Yeah.
There's the dirt. Ah, and who can dig?
Oh, dang.
Yeah, see?
My cat.
It's excavators. He can dig all the dirt, right?
She did. And doing the
Cranes. Ah, this is cranes. Oh, cranes? It's a cranes? What? See? I have crane too.
You would buy it.
Yeah, I'm not a cranes, but look at me. This is crane too.
아니야. 이거 슬라이드 여기에
Oh, that's a slide? No, we call it, what's that? Crane.
아니야, 사사의 크레인이 아니야.
Right, 사다리, ladder, right? That's a ladder, right?
아니야, 사다리 앉아서 여기 내서 이렇게 하는 거야.
You're right. 여기서 같은 거 한번 찾아볼게요.
Rolling.
Garbage truck or dump truck?
Dump truck Daisy has
Do you think I'm a dump truck or garbage truck?
secret project.
Right, dump truck! Let's do high five.
Lights blink on. Engines go.
Do you think who I am?
Hello, you like that?
Yeah, we are same. Are you a bulldozer or dump truck?
뭐지죠?
Bulldozer, let's do high five! Look at the pink truck. 이건 뭐야? Look at this pink truck.
Oh, it's
It's so pretty, right? She said, do you know who I am? I'm a dump truck or garbage truck.
garbage.
Yeah. My inside, there are many garbage here, so it smells
Okay.
yuck. Yeah, we're same. Oh, it's a pink also, right? We're same. Thanks, Sarah.
But it's too.
Yeah. Okay, the end.